channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your quantitative aptitude class. This has been classes your 54th classes. We had done your 53rd classes in the last classes where we had started with your arithmetical ability. In that we had done your operations on numbers, LCF and LCM and SCF of numbers, and then we had done your which is your decimal fraction, simplification, averages, square roots and cube roots. Then we had done problems on numbers, problems on ages. Then we had started with sorts and indices, and that we had started in the last classes as well. Before starting with this, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe to our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and with you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than this, we have to start with 27th questions of sorts and indices. We had done 26 questions in the last classes. So here we go ahead, and the 27th questions that we have here as follows. That has been 1000 power 7 divided by 10 to the power 18 is equals to the question mark. This has been asked in your bank PO question paper as well. So the options for the same we have is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 here. So we'll go ahead for finding it out the answer for the same, and that has been the important too. And we'll go ahead here for, as you can see here, that has been the question, that has been the 27th question of the sessions. 1000 power 7 divided by 10 to the power 8 is equals to 1000 power 7 upon 10 to the power 18 equals to, ये 7 को अगर हम break करेंगे, and that has been the 3 as well, so it will become here for the same as your 10 to the power 3 की power 7, ये 10 to the 1000 को हमने 10 to the power 3 कर दिया, the power 7 upon 10 to the power 18, it is 7 into 3, it will become, so 10 into 3 into 7 upon, that has been 10 to the power 18, 7 3s is 21, 10 to the power 21 upon 18, 10 to the power 18, it will become 10 to the power 21 minus 18, so it will become here, which has been 10 to the power 21 में 18 गया, it will be 3, which is equals to 1000. So the answer we'll get is 1000 here for the same question. Now we'll go ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, which has been the important one as well, and that is also being important here. We'll go ahead for the next question. It's been 28 question of the sessions as well. This has been the important because this has been asking bank by your question paper as well. Question is 256 power 0.16 into 256 power 0.09 is equals to question mark. This has been the question has been asked in your SSC examination paper as well. The options for this we have 4, 16, 64, 256.25 as well. So we'll go ahead for the same, and that what we have to talk about it, and that being the solution for the same. So here we go ahead, and that has been 256 power 0.16 into 256 0.09 equals to 256 0.16 plus 0.09, it will be 256 0.25 is equals to 256 25 upon 10, so 25 upon 100, it will become 256 power 1 by 4. We had cancelled it out this, that 25 1 is 25, 24 4 is 100, so 256 1 by 4, 256 is being power, we break it out, 4 ki power 4, that is of 1 by 4. After that we'll simply do it 4 into 1 by 4, 4 being 4, cancel it out, we'll get 4 power 1, and 4 power 1 is equals to 1, 4 only. That will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead for the next. We have to talk about it, and that has been the important one. As I told you, this has also been important because this has been asked in your SSC examination paper. We'll talk about 29th question of the sessions as well. So the question for the same we have here as follows. The question is 0.04 minus 1.5 equals to question mark. This has been the question is being asked in your question paper, so that has been the important one as well. For the same we have your options here, that is being 25, 125, 250 and 625 here. That's what we have to discuss as well. So we'll go ahead for the same, and that is being important too. And for the rest of the question we'll solve it out for the same. 0.04 power minus 1.5 is equals to, it will be 4 upon 100 पावर माइनस 1.5. ये पॉइंट डेसिमल हटाएंगे तो 2 0 नीचे बढ़ाया है, and this is minus 1.5, so minus 1.5 can be written. First we'll cancel it out here. This has been 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10 and 0, then 2 1s are 2, 2 2 25, so 1 upon 25 power minus 3 by 2. So when minus been reciprocated out, the numbers has been reciprocated, so that has become the positive sign. That has been 25 power 3 by 2. It is equals to 5 5 25, but that means 5 की power 2 3 by 2, and then we'll do it further, which is 5 2 into 3 by 2, so 2 being 2 cancel it out. We will get here is 5 power, that is we have 5 power 3. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are is 125, so the answer we get is 125 will be the right answer for this particular question as well. Now we move ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, and that is being the 30th question of the sessions as well, and that is being the important here. So we'll go ahead for the same, and that is being the another is the 30th question of the sessions as well. In terms of 30th questions here, the question is being states that is your 17 power 3.5 into 17 power question mark. This we have to find out 17 power 8. This is being asked in bank PO question paper. That has been important here. So the options for the same is 2.29, 2.75, 4.25 and 4.5. That's what we have to talk about it, and that has been the important as well. So we'll go ahead for the same, and that we'll find it out here. So we'll be having is 17 power 3.5 into 17 power, this question mark, we'll let that be x here. 17 power 8, then 17 power 3.5 plus x, because दोनों का बेस सेम है, equals to 17 power 8. 3.5 plus x is equals to 8. 3.5 plus x is equals to 8. We had just solving it out the power here itself. So what we'll get is x equals to 3.5 इधर माइनस में जाएगा, 8 minus 3.5, so 8 में जब 3.5 जाएगा, it will x equals to 4.5. That will be the right answer for this particular question as well. Now we'll go ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, which is being the another as well, and that is being the important too. And we'll go ahead for the same. That has been the 31st question of the sessions here. The question we have here is 49 into 49 into 49 into 49 equals to 7 की power question mark. That's what we have to find out. The options for the same is 4, 7, 8 and 16. So we'll go ahead for the solving out this particular questions here. So that has been representing, as you can see, it will be like 49 into 49 into 49 into 49. So we'll go ahead, for 7 7 is 49, तो 7 की power 2 into 7 की power 2 into 7 की power 2 into 7 की power 2, इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं. So we'll add in on all, it will be 7, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4 times 2 की power add. So it will be 7, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. You'll get 7 की power 8. So the correct answer we'll get is your 8 will be the right answer for this question as well. So the question mark that what we have to find is 7 power 8. Now we'll go ahead with another question that has been the another important question here. It's been the 32th question of the sessions as well. The question is the value of that we have as your 8 power minus 25 minus 8 power minus 26. Yes, the options we have 7 into 8 power minus 25, 7 into 8 power minus 26, 8 into 8 power minus 26, and none of these. So we'll go ahead for the same and we'll find out the solution for the same as well, and that is the important here. We'll go ahead for here 8 power minus 25 minus 8 power minus 26. ये माइनस में है, इसको अगर हम डिनोमिनेटर में ले जाएंगे इट विल बी बिकम 8 पावर 25 माइनस 1 अपॉन 8 पावर 26. So 8 power 26 we take as LCM, it will be 8 minus 1. That is being 8 minus 1 is your 7 into ये 8 की power 26 है. It will go above, it will become negative 8 power minus 26. So that will be the right answer for this particular question as well. Now we'll go ahead with another one that has been the 33rd question of the sessions as well, and that has been the important as well, and which is important too. Now the question is 64 power minus 1 by 2 minus 32 minus 4 by 5 is equals to question mark. This has been the question has been asked in your bank PO question paper. That has been the important one as well. The options for the same is 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 16, 3 by 16, and none of these. That for the same sake we have to find out here. So we'll go ahead for the solution for the same. So it will be 64 minus 1 by 2 minus 32 minus 4 by 5 equals to 8 power 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 power 5 minus 4 by 5 equals to 8 2 into minus 1 upon 2, and that is being minus 2 5 into minus 4 upon 5, 5 being 5 cancel it out, you'll get 8 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4, it will be 1 upon 8 minus 2 power 4 equals to 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 16 equals to 1 upon 16 here. That will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead with another one that has been the important one, and that what we will have to talk about it, which is the 34th question of the sessions as well. That has been important here, and for the same we have to talk about it, and that has been 18 power 3.5 plus 27 power 3.5, that this has been divided by multiply 6.3.5 is equals to 2 power question mark. This has been the question has been asked in your bank PO question paper, and that has been the important as well, that what we have to find out here for the same. And so we'll go ahead here for the solution for the same as well. So we'll go ahead 18 power 3.5 into 18 power 3.5 in divided by 27 power 3.5 into 6 power 3.5 is equals to 2 power x. This question marks will let be x here. For the same it will be 18 power 3.5 into 1 upon divided it is, so that has been the 27 power 3.5, and into 6 power 3.5 is equals to 2 power x. It will be 3 power 2 into 2 power, that 3 is the 9, 9 2s are, that is your 18, it will become, so that power 35 into 1 upon 3 power 3 and 3 power 5 into 2 into 3 power 3.5 is equals to 2x. For the next we talk about it, which has been your 3, 2 into 3.5 into 2 3.5 into 1 upon 3, 3 into 3.5 into 2 3.5 into 3 3.5 into equals to 2x. Then further it will be, will have your, will be that is your 3 powers 7 into 2 3 powers of 5 into 1 upon 3 10 power 5 into 2 3.5 into 3 power 3.5 is equals to 2x, which is equals to 2 power 7 is equals to 2x. So x equals to 7. That will be the right answer for this particular question as well, and we'll go ahead further with will be, and on the same cases here, which is being 35th question of the sessions as well. We'll go ahead for the next question that we have to talk about it, and that is even though important here. So that is being the next question, and that is being as follows, that is being 25 power 7.5 into 5 power 2.5 plus 125 power 1.5 equals to 5 power question mark. This has been asked in your bank PO question paper, that has been the important one here. The options we have 8.5, 13, 16, 17.5 and none of these. So we'll go ahead for the same, and that what we have to talk about it, which has been the another question. So here let 25 power 7.5 into 5 power 2.5 divided by, that is being your 125 power 1.5 is equals to 5x. Then 5 power 2 is your 7.5 into 5 power 2.5 upon 5 power 3 1.5, and that is being equals to 5x. Further it will be 5 2 into 7.5 into 5 2.5 upon 5 3 into 1.5 equals to 5x. So 5 power 15 into 5 power 2.5 upon 5 power 4.5 equals to 5 power x. So 5x, 5 power x equals to 5. 1.5 15 plus 2.5 minus 4.5 is equals to 5 power 13. So x equals to 13 will get as an answer here. Now we'll go ahead with another question, that is being the important one here. It is also an important one, and that is being the important, and that has been asked in your CBI examination paper as well. That has been the 36th questions as well. So the question here that has been as follows, that the value of 243 power 0.13 into 243 power 0.7 here, that is we have here, which we have to talk about it. So here that has been upon we have is 7 0.25 into 49 0.075 into 343 0.2 is this has been asked, and this has been asked in your CBI examination paper as well. That has been the important too, and we'll go ahead for the same. The options for the same is here we have 3 by 7, 7 by 3, 1 3 by 7, 2 2 by 7 as well. So we'll go ahead for the solution for the same, and that what we have to solve it out here, and that is being as follows here. So we'll go ahead. Solution we have is 243 power 0.13 into 243 power 0.07 upon 7 power 0.25 into 49 power 0.075 into 343 power 0.2 equals to 243 power 0.13 plus 0.07 upon 7 power 0.25 into 7 power 2. That is we have for that we have here is 0.075 into 7 power 3, that is 0.2 as well. Then again we have here is the next to talk about it, which has been 243 upon that is of power 0.2 whole upon 7 power 0.25 into 7 power 2 into 0.075 into 7 power 3 into 0.2 as well. That we have the next is 3 power 5 0.2 upon 7 power 0.25 into 7 power 0.5 into 7 power 0.6. we have for the same it will be 3 power 5 into 0.2 upon 7 power 0.25 plus 0.15 plus 0.6 as well, which has been 3 power 1 7 power 1, and that is being equals to 3 upon 7. So that will be the right answer for this particular question as well. We'll go ahead further, which we'll talk about it, and that has been the another important question. This question has been asked in CBI examination paper. Now we'll go ahead with another one, that has been the 37th question of the session. The question is, if a upon b x minus 1 is equals to b upon a x minus 3, then the value of x is, this has been asked in MBA examination paper, that has been important. Options we have 1 by 2, 1, 2, 7 by 2 here. So we'll go ahead for the same, and that what we're going to have to find out for the answers here, which is being a upon b x minus 1 is equals to b upon a x minus 3, a upon b x minus 1 is equals to a upon b minus x minus 3 equals to a upon b 3 minus x. For the same we have x minus 1 is equals to 3 minus x, and that is being represented here, which has been 2x, or that has been 2x is equals to 4 here. And for the next we talk about it on the same behalf of it, that is x 2 on the 2 to the 4. So we will get here is your x equals to 2. That will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead further, which will talk about the another questions here. That has been the important one, which is 38th question of the session. The question has been, if 2 power 2n minus 1 is equals to 1 upon 8n minus 3. Then the value of n is, the options we have 3, 2, 0 and minus 2. That what we have to talk about it, and that is being the important one as well. So we'll go ahead for the same. Here we go ahead. So 2 power 2n minus 1 equals to 1 upon 8n minus 3 equals to 2n minus 1 equals to 1 upon 2 की power 3n minus 3 is equals to 1 upon 2 की power 3 n minus 3 that we have. So for the same it will become 2 power 3n minus 9. Again it will be coming upward, is will be 2n minus 3n. When n minus 3n be represented here, it will be 2n minus 1 is equals to 9 minus 3n that we have. So for the same we'll solve it out. This is 2n, this is 3n, it will go here, that being plus, so it will become 5n equals to, this is minus coming towards it, it will become plus, so that is being equals 5n equals to 10. Further it will solve this, 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, so that n equals to 2 will be the right answer for this particular questions here as well. Now we'll go ahead further, which we'll talk about it, and that has been the another questions here, and which is also an important one. So we'll go ahead for the same. The question has been your which has been your 39th question of the sessions as well. The question states that here is, if 5a power is equals to 3125, then the value of 5a minus 3 is, this is we have to find out, and that has been the important one here. So the option for the same, or we go ahead, has been 25, 125, 625 and 1625 as well. That is all we have as follows. We'll go ahead. So here 5a equals to 3125 is 5a equals to 5 power 5, then a equals to 5. So 5a minus 3 is equals to 5 minus 3, 5 में 3 gate will be 5 power 2, which is equals to 25. That will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead with another one, that has been the another questions here. Is your, the question is 40th question of the session. The question is, that is, if 5 under root 5 into 5 power 3 plus 5 power minus 3 by 2 equals to 5a plus 2, then the value of a is, the options we have here is 4, 5, 6 and 8, and that what, even though we have to talk about it, so we'll go ahead for the same. Five under root 5 into 5 power 3 plus 5 power minus 3 by 2 is equals to 5a plus 2. 5 into 5 1 by 2 power into 5 power 3 upon 5 power minus 3 by 2 equals to 5a plus 2. That is being equal here 5 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2, that is being equals to 5a plus 2 here. So 5a plus 2, it will be 5p power 6 is equals to 5a plus 2, So a plus 2 is equals to 6. That has been the power a plus 2 being equals to 6 here. For the same, a equals to, this plus will come here, minus with sign. 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. That will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, and that is being important as well. So we'll go ahead for the 41st question of the sessions here. So the question is 41st question. The question is being here is which has been if under root 2 power n is equals to 64, then the value of a, we have to, so the value of n we have to find out. That we have to, the options is 2, 4, 6 and 12. So we'll go ahead for the same here as well. We'll find it out. Under root 2n is equals to 64. So 2 power n, that is we have here is whole 1 by 2 is equals to 2 power 6. 2n by 2 is equals to 2 power 6. Then n by 2 is equals to 6. 2 इधर multiply में जाएगा because इधर divide में है. We'll get n equals to 12. So the value of n is equals to 12. That will be the right answer for this particular question as well. Now we'll go ahead with another one, which will talk about the 42th question of the session, and that is being the important one here. And let's go ahead for the same 42th question of the sessions as well. So the 42th question we have is if under root 3 whole power 5 into 9 power 2 is equals to 3 power n into 3 power under root 3, then the value of n is, this we have to talk about it. The options we have here is 2, 3, 4 and 5. We'll go ahead for the same, and that what we have to find out here for the solution. We'll go ahead. Under root 3 power 5 into 9 power 2 is equals to 3n into 3 power under root 3. 3 power 1 by 2 whole is your 5 into 3 power 2 whole 2 equals to 3n into 3 into 3 1 by 2. So 3 1 by 2 into 6, sorry, into 5. So into 3 2 into 2, that is n equals to 3 n plus 1 plus 1 by 2. So for the same it is 3 5 by 2 plus 4, which is equals to 3 n plus 3 by 2, n plus 3 by 2 is equals to 13 upon 2 is equals to n equals to 13 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2 equals to 10 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10 is equals to, that we have as an answer as your 5. That will be the right answer for this particular question ahead. We'll go ahead with the next one, that is we have your 43rd question of the sessions as well. We'll go ahead with another question that has been the another one is your important one, which is 43rd question of the sessions here. So the question we have here, if 9n into 3 power 5 into 27 power 3 whole upon 3 into 81 power 4 is equals to 27. So then the value of n is, the options we have is 0, 2, 3 and 4. For the same we have to talk about it, and that we have to answer it out as well. So we'll go ahead for the same. 9 power n into 3 power 5 into 27 power 3 whole upon 3 into 81 power 4 is equals to 27. Then 3 power 2 n into 3 power 5 into 3 power 3 whole 3 upon 3 into 3 power 4 into 4 equals to 3 power 3. So for the same we have 3 power 2n into 3 power 5 into 3 power 3 into 3 upon 3 into 3 4 into 4 equals to 3 power 3. 3 power 2n plus 5 plus 9 upon 3 into 3 16, that is being equals to 3 power 3. 3 power 2n plus 14 upon 3 power 17 is equals to 3 power 3. So 3 power 2n plus 14 minus 17, that is being equals to 3 power 2. Further it is 3 power 2n minus 3 is equals to 3 power 3. Then power will take it power, 2 minus 3 is equals to 3. So 2n equals to 6, and for that n equals to 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. So we'll get the value of n as 3. N equals to 3, that we have to answer it out here. We'll go ahead with the next question that we have to talk about it, and that is being the another important question here, which is being the 44th question of the session that we'll discuss in the next coming class here. And now we'll be ending it up. Before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe to our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. On the same cases, we have to discuss from 44th question in the next classes. And other than that, if I'm talking about of quantitative aptitude, other than that, we are dealing with your, that has been your chemistry, where we had completed unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8, unit 9 as well. Other than that, we had dealing with some elements, the atomic numbers and their symbols, as well as their molar masses as well. After that, we are dealing with that is being your that is we had done your sociology and software engineering. Then we deal with reasoning, where we had completed your verbal reasoning, that is being the general mental ability and the logic reasoning. And in non-verbal reasoning, we had done your series, analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern, figure metrics, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, cubes and dies as well. And now in terms of quantitative aptitude, we had started with arithmetical ability here, and then the data interpretation we have to start discussing after completing this. In arithmetical ability, we had completed operations on numbers, SCF and LCM of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, surds and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipe and cistern, time and distance, problems on trains, boards and steams, allocations or mixtures, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skirts, calendar, clocks, stocks and shares, permutations and combination, probability, true discount, bankers discount, height and distance, odd man out series. In data interpretation, we have to cover the tabulations, bar graph, pie charts and line graph as well. So here we'll be ending it up, and it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go through the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. And we are dealing with the DPMS as well. We are dealing with different types or different online shopping ER diagrams, as well as the factory industrial ER diagrams, and of course there are many we have to discuss as well. You can go ahead and stay tuned with us. Thank you, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.